I'm gonna turn on this. I can't hear.
Okay, can y'all hear me?
Oh.
Okay, your job is going to be to making sure we're recording this. Okay?
Okay.
Like when we come back from like breaks, ask me like, are you recording this? Or should you be recording this? Okay? Got it? That's your job. And Natalie said 73 balloons because we're looking for the number of white balloons. I don't think we need that 7 there. We can get rid of that 90. So, what can we set up here? Get. Using a lot of get. How many packages or groups do we have?
We have 7.
7. And then how many, besides Natalie, is in each package? How many white balloons?
7.
73.
Adriana. Yeah, Adrian, you were talking about number of in the packages. So what are we gonna do?
Multiply.
Multiply. This is so distracting. There's like the staff bathroom that's right across the classroom. Start working on that and solve it. While you are working on that, let me find my multiplication chart. One out. Downloads. Work on that. 73 times 7. Ooh, look at all these things I have. Let's see. Oh, is this it? Yep, that one's it. Print it. Print. What? What's that? That was crazy. Page. Hopefully it works. I need to go get my paper out of the car later. Chloe, did you solve this? Yes? Chloe, you're somewhere else. You're not at your normal place. Or you're in a bedroom at least. Okay. Can you see my screen? No, maybe so.
Yes.
There's Chloe with the C.
She has like trouble getting on, so she's kind of working on her earpods. So 7 times 3 is what?
21.
And 7 times 7 is what?
41. 49. 21.
49, yeah. 49 plus 2. We gotta add that too.
51.
31.
What?
What?
51. Adrian, 49 plus 2. Come on.
I'm just like really confused.
What?
What?
7 times 7 is what? Is that where you're confused on? It's 49? Let me check.
I thought you said like.
Is that what everybody got? I might have said something else. Bless you. Maybe I might have said something else. Who knows? 14B. Wendy had packages of candy that contained 32 pieces each. She put 1 package of candy into each of her 4 bowls. How many pieces of candy does Wendy have in 4 bowls? There's some keywords in there.
Yeah.
Keywords in there. Somebody said it. Was that you, Chloe?
We need 4 bowls.
We do need 4 bowls. What else do we need?
$32.
30. 32.
32, yes. There's a key word in here, each. What are we gonna set up?
Get.
Yeah.
You can hear everybody else down the hall going over this too. How many bowls or I guess packages or groups do we have?
4.
4. And then how many is in each package?
32.
32.
What do y'all think we're doing here?
Location.
We're doing complete math. Yes, we are doing math. I think that's what he said. Solve that.
Okay. Then. Answer.
Your answer?
The answer is
Don't say it yet.
I'm not the best thing.
Let me see. Chloe, what did you get for your answer? Chloe, what'd you get?
Times 4 is
Chloe, I can't hear you. I think you said the right answer.
128.
Yes. You look like you're
got that too. That's the end.
okay. That's it for right now. For problem solving.
Yay.
Skills is weird. Kind of weird. I don't know that we'll do. I don't know that we're gonna do skills today. I don't think we're gonna do skills today. I don't think we're gonna do skills today. We're gonna go over our concept for the week. We're gonna skip our concept. I'm gonna show y'all a video. So the yellow part of your binder, yellow. We're gonna skip skills today. Yellow, and I think what are we in, week 4? Wow, we're in week 4 already. Week 4. We're in week 4 already. Wow. Crazy. Find this one. Week 4. Can y'all see my screen? Week 4. Compare and order whole numbers. Whole numbers. We don't even have decimals yet. That's exciting. Quickly, Zildjian. Did we find it? No, Antonio found it. All those times Antonio was, I think, at daycare, right? Yep. And he was always following along for the most part.
Yeah.
Used to distraction. He was around a bunch of little kids, probably, right? Bunch of little kids. We find it. Week 4. Yeah, I think it's the next page. We're gonna go over some vocabulary. Some of you are gonna be, this is easy. I already know. I already know. Look, Antonio's gonna get. Alright. We'll use that in a little bit.
I found it.
Okay. He gets grid paper. I don't have grid paper at home.
I'm on the page that after that page you're on.
Did you find it, AJ? It looks like it. I can see it on the computer. Mariah?
I found it.
Audrina? You found it? Okay. Let me start with somebody was looking real bad. So in here. Not that. What is it? I'm going to show you a part of the Nearpod. I thought there was a video. There's a video. Well, not the Nearpod. There's a video. In Canvas, I want to show you all. Going over some of the vocabulary words. Trying to think. It's coming to school with all these people walking by. Computer doesn't work any faster. So. Teach piece. Katrina? Y'all don't have to be on Canvas. I'm gonna show y'all this piece though.
Oh, okay.
Like, what is this? Minecraft this week? I guess. Right? I don't know.
How do you?
Why is it- Oh, what is this? 2x1 division. Let's see what this is.
Hello, students. This week we're going to be working with division. We are
Are we?
going to be dividing the numbers by a 1-digit.
Oh, this is wait,
Now,
wrong week.
remember, when we are dividing, also
Wrong week.
are using out.
That's next week. My bad. Next week. Somebody wanted division last week. It was Adrian, wasn't it? I think we're gonna go over vocabulary. Adrian's like, oh, when are we gonna learn division? That's next week. That's a fun week.
Why does one of them have Spanish?
Because like when we have like the bilingual class that has people that speak Spanish, so it has it for them. But I think I blocked it to where y'all couldn't see it, so y'all wouldn't necessarily need it. Click on the house to return to the homepage. Vocabulary. Let's go over some vocabulary. Division. Ooh, the operation that separates objects into equal groups to find the number in each group or find the number of equal groups. So that's like with the first problem, when we're trying to find the number each group will get equally. So if I have 3 friends and I have 15 cookies I want to share with them, I need to share them equally, correct? Would you want to get an unequal amount of cookies? So if I have, let's say, Adrian, Natalie, Antonio's here with me, and we're going to share cookies. And I had 15 cookies I wanted to share with them, and I wanted to share with all 3 of them. You'd want the same amount of cookies, right? Adrian, you would not want less cookies than maybe Natalie, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Bless you. I think that was a sneeze. Dividend. Oh, this was one of our words last week. The number to be divided in a division problem. So the red one is the dividend. So 35. That's the big number that goes into the house. We'll talk a lot more about that next week when we start learning about division. You've got like the king. I think the king and the queen, I think, is one way it's shown or something like that. So I believe y'all did division like this last year, maybe, right? Something like that. 35 divided by 5, which it gets a little harder this year. The divisor. Oh yeah, it goes on top. There's a little rhyme about this. The divisor is the one that goes, or sorry, that's on the outside. So the number by which a number is divided. I know this is confusing, but if you look at the picture, it's the one on the outside. This is like, I think, the queen's house. And then here's the queen up here. Oh, no. Would be the quotient. And then you got some other little roll or something. Why is it talking about this week? Are we dividing? The quotient is your answer that you would get. The big fancy word for answer. I don't know why we're going over division this week. Ooh, remainders. Remainders get tricky when we start doing division. The amount that is left over after the number has already been divided into equal parts. So that's what's left over. If I have 17 divided by 3, I would have 2 left over that I would not give to my groups because they wouldn't be equal groups. Eventually, you're going to have to interpret the remainders, but that's down the road, way down the road. Distributive property. Ooh, it's breaking down the number into 2 smaller numbers. I don't know why we're going over division this week. Division with the base 10 blocks. Model and divide. Let me skip some of this vocabulary. Long division vocabulary. Way to go. Is that it? Is that it? I don't like boring yawn. I are bored. So we got rid of the old flag guy this week. I'm kind of sad. We didn't watch him today. Comparing and ordering numbers. There's got to be a numbers rock video on here. We're not doing decimals though. Let me go over, I guess, the greater than, less than sign. The alligator is going to want to always eat the smaller symbol or the larger, or the smaller number or the larger number in terms of greater than and less than. Put it here. We're not going to do decimals, but can y'all see my screen, Andrina?
Yes.
Good.
Operation PET scan. Feed it in and pull it out the tail end. New Operation PET scan where you play the
What?
bat. Batteries not included.
That's cool. That's a new one. What?
565,000. The greater number is the alligator's preference. He looks at the place values from left to right.
So the alligator eats the what number? The larger or the smaller number?
Larger.
Larger. I'm going to be doing decimals this week, but I just want to show the video of greater.
That's the greatest 10th place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the value that is greater. The value that is least is never part of his feast. 107,000 and 1100. The greater value is what the alligator gets. He looks at the place values from left to right. One's the greatest hundredths place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the value that is greater. The value that is least is never part of his feast. 209,000 and 4 5/10. The gator eats the one with the greater contents. He looks at the place values from left to right. 4's the greatest one's place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the value that is greater. The value that is least is never part of his feast.
Now the numbers are the same on both sides. The gator wants to eat, but he can't decide. Neither is greater or less. It's a perfect tie. So the alligator writes an equal sign.
The hungry alligator eats the value that is greater. The value that is least is never part of his feast. The hungry alligator eats the value that is greater. The value that is least is never part of his feast.
there. I'm an alligator, so let's keep this snappy. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you that the greater than symbol goes from big to small, and it's called the greater than symbol. The less than symbol goes from small to big, and it's called the less than symbol. The larger number always goes on the open side of the angle. For example, this reads as 50 is greater than 10, and this is read as 10 is less than 50.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more.
Let me give y'all a quick quiz. Let's see how much y'all are paying attention. Y'all ready for a quiz?
I just got back from making Kool-Aid, so.
Why were you making Kool-Aid during our Zoom meeting?
Mr. Hernandez, it's 9:15.
I know it's 9:15.
Why is the screen white?
Hold on, because I'm going to give y'all a quiz and see. This is what's going to determine if y'all get a break or not. Less than.
Okay.
Adrian, you need to stay at our meeting. You can't just wander off and go do things. It's school. I don't let you wander. I will not let you wander during a school day to go make Kool-Aid in the back of the room.
Sorry.
Anyways. I guess it's draw no. Zoom let me. Nope, I want a text box. Do. I guess I could do it with numbers. 400, is it typing? 90 is compared to 483. Which number is greater? Which one's the alligator?
490.
Yeah, 490. Yeah, 490.
90.
490.
Which one's the alligator gonna eat now?
480. 480.
It's the less than sign now, because the first one is.
Which one's the alligator gonna eat now?
72. 472.
Wait.
Maybe you can try putting the symbol.
Ooh, okay.
720.
720. 720.
Now.
47,033.
I hear somebody.
47033.
Are we sure? Let's see.
No. It's 47,202.
Yes, because
The
200.
alligator doesn't eat the zeros.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay, we'll come back.
Bye.
Hey.
Where are we coming?
I'm gonna die, Dad. This morning to double check your bathroom break schedule for classroom teachers, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And also for parent professionals, please check your, and all supporting staff, please check your lunch duty schedule. If you've got an assignment by time in classroom, some of you will be in the hallway between 2 classrooms. You will please take a few moments to familiarize yourself with those schedules. And for classroom things, most of you do have a recess assignment. I didn't get feedback from everybody, and some of you didn't have the available time. But for those of you who do have recess, go ahead and check out the assignment. And if you don't have, your name is not down there because you're first, second, and
Do we
third.
come back?
So please get with me and we'll figure it out. Thank you.
When do we come back?
Okay, come back at 9:45. Got it? See you all in a few minutes.